Good afternoon. In today's class, we will study about the first sort of the interrogative adverb, which is the adverb why. The speaker applies the interrogative adverb why to specify the definition of the verb with the reason that the subject actualizes the experience, condition, or action indicated by the definition of the verb for. Compared to the interrogative clause with the interrogative adverb why, the interrogative clause with the interrogative adverb how deals with the procedure of the subject to actualize the experience, condition, or action that is between the preceded and the succeeded, consistent with the flow of time. This explanation is about the case that we have to discern the two interrogative adverbs, how and why. So we can say that the speaker has more cases to apply the interrogative adverb how rather than the interrogative adverb why, because the object of our curiosity is able to be described as a sequence of some procedures. So there can be a tree, there can be a Christmas tree whose bottom part is constituted as a circle and its top, pointy top can be the place for putting up the star for the Christmas tree. The way that we intend to know about the procedure with the interrogative adverb how is able to be compared to taking a step of the Christmas tree following the outer surface of the tree, like this, in the spiral pathway of the tree. And what about the question for knowing the reason of an event or a phenomenon can be the effort to go to the pointy top of the Christmas tree like this in the vertical way. So as a Christian, I'd like to say that the pointy top for a Christmas tree is the place for putting up the love of our Lord who created us to love each other. So we can say that every question for knowing the reason of it happening is concluded to the love of God. Especially this part describes about taking a step by the spiral pathway of the Christmas tree with the questions starting with the interrogative adverb how. The interrogative clause with the interrogative adverb why deals with the relationship between the cause and the effect, which is revealed to be more connected than the procedure consistent with the flow of time. The fact that we figure out there is a relationship of a cause and an effect means a lot, because when we study more and more, we can find the iceberg of a phenomenon. There can be more, there can be deeper correlation between a phenomenon and the other phenomena. So it's very sensitive and it needs very sensible ability when it comes to revealing the correlation between the event A and the event B and in the relationship of the cause and the effect. And the fact that we can figure out that there is a relationship of a cause and an effect for the two events means more than just revealing the arrangement of events according to the flow of time. There is more than just the flow of time between event A and the event B, which are known to be in the logical relationship of a cause and an effect. The speaker considers a reason as valid in the relationship between the cause and effect when the reason is expected to cause the same effect in the future as the effect that the same reason caused in the past. Sorry. So this explanation is about the other factor that we discern that the two events are in a relationship of a cause and an effect. The fact that the event B is the effect of the event A means that the speaker or a person who starts the event A, the person makes the event A happen, is going to welcome the event B because the event B is revealed as the outcome, the result, the effect of the event A. Reorient to the future according to the perfect procedure planned by the One, our Lord. So the only conclusion from the interrogative clause with the interrogative adverb why to deal with the reason for any experience, condition, or action is that Jesus Christ, who connects every relationship of the cause and the effect, is with us. This explanation includes my religious faith about the love of God. Because when we study or when we analyze many phenomena in our academic way, we can encounter some curiosities that can lead us to the love of God. And I just hope that you guys can find the love of God while studying various subjects that can be deepened inside of us with a question starting with the interrogative adverb how or why. We will study about the interrogative adverb why with the 5 examples, and the the 5 examples, including the combination of the two words how come. It can be a replaceable form, a replaceable interrogative of the interrogative adverb why. Thank you for watching.